Are you currently planning on starting an Uber business, or do you currently have an Uber business? In today's video, I am going to explain to you how to form an Uber LLC. So you probably clicked on this video because you're either planning to start an Uber business or you're currently operating an Uber business. Hi, my name's Andrew. I'm an attorney here at Malaya Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,420 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. Now, before I start talking about the steps to forming a Uber LLC, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Taking those actions truly helps our channel grow, so thank you in advance. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the 7 steps that you must take in order to form an Uber LLC. There are 2 main reasons why you may be considering forming an LLC for your Uber business, or there are 2 major benefits why a majority of Uber business owners start LLCs. The first major benefit is the personal liability protection, and the second benefit is the tax benefits. I've discussed those benefits in previous videos, so make sure you check that out. Now that you have a better understanding why a majority of Uber business owners form LLCs, let's go ahead and talk about the 7 steps to properly form an Uber LLC. The first step you're going to want to take is you're going to want to file the correct documents with the Secretary of State. The documents are called the Articles of Organization. When filing these documents, you're going to want to make sure that all the details, whether it's your personal details or your business details, is done properly. Failure to fill out the documents properly may lead to issues in the future. Once you've filed the Articles of Organization with the Secretary of State, the second step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply for your EIN number. EIN number is your business tax ID. Every single Uber LLC is required to have a business tax ID. That is how the IRS will keep track of any sort of taxes that you may owe. After you've obtained your EIN, which you're able to get from the IRS by either filling out Form SS4 or by filling out their online application. Once you receive your EIN, the third step you're going to want to take is you're going to want to open a U.S. business bank account. Opening a U.S. business bank account will ensure that you get paid for your hard work. In addition to getting paid, the U.S. business bank account will be opened under your LLC company name. It will not be your personal bank account. The reason why I mention this is because it is very important to ensure that your business income is separate from your personal income. You do not want to commingle these funds. Having a separate U.S. business bank account specifically for your Uber LLC will ensure that your business income and your personal income does not commingle. Once you form the LLC by filing the proper documents with the Secretary of State, once you've obtained your EIN number, once you've opened a U.S. business bank account, the fourth step you may want to consider doing is applying for business insurance. Applying for business insurance ensures that your business assets are protected. For example, if you decide to purchase a vehicle such as a Prius because they're really good on miles per gallon and you save a lot of gas, you may want to consider placing that Prius under your LLC. In other words, instead of you being the personal owner of that Prius, your LLC company will be the owner of that Prius. Now that your Prius is a business asset, you're going to want to make sure that you take the necessary steps to protect that asset. That asset will be making you a lot of money. And so applying for some sort of business insurance, a certain amount, a certain policy, will ensure that your Prius is protected. This is really random, but one day I hope to be able to purchase a Prius to explore and to adventure the entire United States. This brings me to the 5th step you're going to want to take. you're going to want to make sure that you have auto insurance. Be sure when reaching out to your auto insurance provider that you let them know that you plan to use this for your Uber or Lyft business. You're going to want to clarify with them whether or not they provide automobile insurance policies that cover both personal use as well as business use. Now that you have a fully formed LLC, you have your EIN, your business bank account, all the insurance such as the business insurance and the automobile insurance. The sixth step you're going to want to take is you're going to want to apply for a business license. Every county's requirements are different, so you're going to want to make sure that you reach out to your county representative to determine what type of business license you need. Additionally, you may also want to reach out to Uber themselves to learn a little bit more about business license requirements. If you work more than 30 days in the previous calendar year, it's likely that you will be required to have a business license. And the seventh step you're going to want to take is you're going to want to speak with a professional who can determine whether your entire process and everything you did in forming that LLC was correct, to ensure that you receive the two major benefits, which is personal liability protection as well as the tax benefits. I know I mentioned that step as the seventh one, but now that I'm thinking about it, you may want to make that your first step. If you happen to enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, as well as bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. If you would like to learn more about the steps to properly form an Uber LLC, make sure you click the link in the description box below to book your free call with a professional who will be able to explain to you and help clarify the steps that you need to take to properly form an Uber LLC. If you would like to learn more about LLCs, corporations, sole proprietorships, make sure you watch one of these videos here. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. If you would like to continue learning more about LLCs, businesses, online businesses, go ahead and watch one of these videos.